No be last year here, where Wizkid lost his mama. It was so painful because he had all it takes to keep that woman alive. As his mama died, and Burna Boy go visit him, pay him, tribute. Because that Burna Boy mama wey see so, I know say that woman no fit die. Papa, I know Burna Boy mama. Woman will be like who be say after a successful show, if you begin carry 2 girls, she go carry 2 boys.
It's Edo Ileko with Mc Edopikin.
Lagos, how are they now? One guy, this backstage, then just they make noise. One guy just they make noise. I want to perform. They say who you be? You know they the list. He say I'm a choosing. Who choose you? Come on. I like the way this choosing the trend because since now NSPPD the trend. What God cannot do, and then you go your day club with babe till like 2 a.m. When I go reach house, still do 1 or 2. You go say make you sleep small. You go wake up, the girl know they sleep. You go say why you not sleep? You say it's almost time for my prayer. With this same mouth. You don't take smoke shisha, whole things. They will come wake up for morning. Once them pray for me, they must write something for WhatsApp. You come here, finally the Lord has settled I and my family. What God cannot do does not exist. After 20 minutes, that same girl will come, they ask you for 20K. Are you wake up, just settle you and your family?
I will talk, I am choosing.
Hold on. See the way fuel, bro. Baba, how much be fuel for your area? When last you see convoy? Baba, nobody there. If you just, as when I want drive, when I want come this show now, you ask your guy will say, I don't feel like driving. No fuel, Baba. I don't feel like that. Gone are the days where you go on come out. You go on your car, come warm am for 5 minutes before you drive. For which fuel? Now once you put key, au revoir. Bro, last week my uncle arrest him first son now. The man they prepare to go walk in Pikin, go the warm car. Car na soup. You the warm car, the car go sour. Baba, everybody they come out, but people like show and people don't like show because they go on AC for a go hotel. We they on gem for house, Baba. He is one key introvert. Introvert, the others I don't like crowds. Mama, they come outside now. At least with 6 hours, he go stay here before he reach house on dessert. These are hard. Sometimes for easy, you get one time for easy, we say they catch criminal, they go say jungle justice. Person go bring tire, they go bring fuel, they go burn them. Full well. Now then they advise, if they catch you, they go say no do am again. Who won't bring fuel? Make them take everything rugged. This is the most trying time ever. Everything spoil, Baba. You go just come house, make you eat. Food don't finish for house. You go say make you drink tea. Milo and milk don't finish at the same time. Why not then they discuss more finish. You go say, okay, make you leave food, watch television. As you on TV, DSTV don't expire. Everything they finish once. And you know say cooking gas, they emotional. Any day where you on gas, they cook, you can't they hate the gas. Say this gas don't last. Now that day they finish you. If them burn you well, try boy beans. You go strand. Things are hard, bro. See price of fuel now. Everybody they manage. Uber, those people they enter Uber and boat. Do you know that from your parlor to your room is 4,500 without AC? So my advice, if you be a young boy here and your babe they stay mainland, if your babe small and she won't come visit you, no book Uber for her, send dispatch rider to bring her. They go fit enter that small container, such day. Life na brain. Who get 2 liters and then they start with 4 play. Before you enter the main thing, gen don't off. That's so life day now. You know say they're going to say DNA. You know say now when you go do DNA, the results come out. They can't tell you say true now you're beginning. You can't say you don't waste money. Can't say, but this boy resemble me now. Why I go do this thing? Crazy, man. Things rough. I hope so you know be Star blog. It's how they video me like this. Mama, they video me to take home. You know, say some women they like laugh for public. Then package look like that. Laugh, oh yeah, where you see laughter. Nothing, sorrow no good. I hope you know that in this regime, handkerchief is 500 naira. You can't even afford to wipe your own tears. So if you see laughter, laugh. No be last year here, where Wizkid lost his mama. It was so painful because he had all it takes to keep that woman alive. As his mama died, and Mummy Burna Boy go visit am, pay am tribute. Because that Burna Boy mama wey you see so, I know say that woman no fit die. Papa, I know Burna Boy mama. First of all, that woman na example of a true Nigerian woman. Because every mother that year, they want make your pikin be doctor, they want make your pikin be lawyer. But that woman supported that boy's dream from small. When they write song, he support her because she know wetin music be. Now she dey rip am. The woman gallant. That woman no fit die. Woman will be like who be say after a successful show, if your pikin carry 2 girls, she go carry 2 boys. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is M.O.P and that's my time. Good night.
It's Edo Ileko with MC Edopikin. It's Edo Ileko with MC Edopikin.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.